Today, we're diving headfirst into Quicken Simplifi, a powerful financial management tool designed to streamline your finances and help you achieve your money goals. Quicken Simplifi is ideal for individuals and families looking to effortlessly manage their budgets, track expenses, and stay on top of their financial health. In this comparison, we'll explore 5 key variables: features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives.
Let's start off our review by taking a look at Quicken Simplifi's main features. Intuitive budgeting. Quicken Simplifi offers easy-to-use budgeting tools that allow users to set up and track their budgets effortlessly. With customizable categories and spending insights, users can gain a clear understanding of their financial habits. Expense tracking. Users can effortlessly track their expenses by linking their bank accounts and credit cards to Quicken Simplifi. The platform automatically categorizes transactions, making it easier to monitor spending and identify areas for improvement. Bill management. Quicken Simplifi helps users stay organized by tracking bills and due dates. Set up reminders and receive notifications to ensure you never miss a payment again. Savings goals. Plan for the future with Quicken Simplifi's saving goals and features. Set targets for various financial goals such as saving for a vacation or building an emergency fund, and track your progress over time. Mobile accessibility. Access your financial data anytime, anywhere with Quicken Simplifi's mobile app. Stay connected to your finances on the go and make informed decisions wherever you are. Security. Quicken Simplifi prioritizes user security with bank-level encryption and secure data storage. Rest assured that your financial information is protected at all times.
Quicken Simplifi offers a subscription-based pricing model, with plans starting at $3.99 a month. Premium features such as unlimited accounts and advanced budgeting tools are available in higher-tier plans, starting at $6.99 a month. Quicken Simplifi provides a seamless user experience with its intuitive interface and mobile accessibility. Users appreciate the simplicity and effectiveness of the budgeting and expense tracking feature, making it easy to stay on top of their finances. Quicken Simplifi's pros include its user-friendly interface, robust budgeting tools, and mobile accessibility. However, some users may find the pricing structure slightly higher compared to other budgeting apps. Additionally, the platform may lack some advanced features found in more comprehensive financial management tools.
Alternative financial management tools to Quicken Simplifi include Mint, YNAB, short for You Need a Budget, Personal Capital, and Pocket Guard. Each platform offers unique features and pricing structures catered to different financial needs and preferences.
In conclusion, Quicken Simplifi offers a user-friendly solution for individuals and families looking to simplify their finances and achieve their money goals. With intuitive budgeting tools, expense tracking capabilities, and mobile accessibility, Quicken Simplifi is a valuable tool for improving financial wellness. Thank you for watching. Sign up for Quicken Simplifi using the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy internet tips. Check out our other videos for additional insights. We'll see you in the next video.